Hadin baga government jonga chandigarh kala penbena ba ya ka Good Friday kamde shu kasngi ba ngide ban shong thait andre kasngi ka bangila matre ban kta kumta uwe neunong ilam jonga kongres ulami shikmat banile persha ya kani ga jingle jonga ne ga sorkar chandigarh sngap kumno ba ukren shaphanga Good Friday.
We know about a government order from the Home Ministry declaring Good Friday as a working day at Chandigarh, on Chandigarh. Therefore, we are demanding the immediate withdrawal of that government order from the Home Ministry. Good Friday, everybody know that all over the world, Good Friday is the holiday, and that day nobody who's the believer of the Christian community will come outside. They are all in the churches with the prayers. That is one of the most sacred day as far as Christian community is concerned, as far as the humanitarian is concerned. So now they declared it as a working day. This is the clear attitude. So this is a clear-cut attitude of the central government on minorities, especially on Christians. Sometimes they will tell about the Munambam issue when Wakaf bill is coming. Now you see the real color. Their anti-minority attitude, anti-Christian attitude. Therefore, we are demanding, without any delay, they have to withdraw the order of the Home Ministry. Thank you.